everyone, my name is Lexia from Chennai Institute of Technology, pursuing my third year in computer science and engineering, specializing in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The theme I have chosen for this presentation is tacit knowledge capturing AI system. So, this project focuses on building AI that can learn from humans, mimic decision making, and automate the repetitive tasks. And let's see the problem understanding. In every company, we see a common problem. And what is that? A lot of time is spent on repetitive office tasks, small routine decisions. These tasks are often guided by human judgment and past experience. But because they are handled manually, they consume time, energy, and resources. Over time, valuable tacit knowledge, the knowledge that is not written in manuals but exists in the minds of employees, is often lost when people leave organization. The challenge is to create a system that does not just automate the task but also captures the hidden knowledge and reuses it effectively. So let's move on to the proposed solution. So my proposed solution is a tacit knowledge capturing AI system. Let me explain how it works. First, the system uses behavior cloning and reinforcement learning. This means it observes how humans make decisions, learn from their actions, and then improves its performance through feedback. And the second is all the knowledge is stored in central repository using FICE for vector search and a playbook database for decision rules. This allows the AI to preserve and retrieve tacit knowledge whenever it is needed. And the third is the reasoning layer uses a multi LLM cluster with a model context protocol, that is MCP, running both at the edge and in the cloud. This ensures smooth reasoning across tasks, languages, and domains. Finally, the system integrates easily with existing workplace tools like Office 360 and Google Workspace. The user interacts with it through a simple, friendly front end built in React and Tailwind. And you can ask, why is this effective? Because it is not just an automation tool, it actually learns and grows with the organization. So let's move to the implementation plan. Yes, to implement this system, the first step is a data collection. Observing how employees make routine decisions. And the second step is model training, using behavior cloning for imitation and reinforcement learning for continuous improvement. Third, we set up the knowledge repository with files and playbook databases to capture the decision rules. And the next is we build a multi LLM reasoning layer and connect it with the workplace APIs. Finally, we deploy the front end and ensure smooth integration so employees can interact naturally with the system. The key resources needed are computing infrastructure for training, secure cloud storage for knowledge repository, and APIs for integration with existing tools. Yes, it is much more feasible. Then, the impact and relevance to Japan. This project is especially meaningful for both India and Japan. For Japan, it supports work style reforms by reducing repetitive tasks and preserving critical expertise in an aging workplace. And for India, it strengthens the Digital India and AI for all initiatives, helping fast growing industries increasing efficiency. And together, India and Japan can collaborate to build a shared knowledge repository powered by AI. This is not only enhances bilateral ties but also position both nations as leaders in AI driven workplace innovation. So, my first connection to Japan is that a culture of precision and continuous improvement known as Kaizen. I find inspiring because how Japan blends tradition with technology, from preserving craftsmanship to leading in robotics and automation. Student in AI/ML, I admire Japan focus on applying technology to improve humans' life, especially in aging society challenges. So for me, collaborating with Japan means learning discipline, innovation, and human-centered approach to technology. So, in conclusion, my project shows how AI can learn from us, work with us, and grow for all. By capturing tacit knowledge, automating the routine work, and enabling collaboration between India and Japan, this system has the potential to reshape the future of workplaces. Thank you.